is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make some whipped cream frosting. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 8 ounces of cream cheese, add in 1 cup of icing sugar. Mix until smooth. Gradually add 2 3/4 cup of cream. Mix until stiff peaks form. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and fold that in. And ta-da! You have whipped cream frosting. You can pipe on cupcakes or on cakes. Enjoy!